Think of me in the depths of your despair. Like